Wonder what it tastes like. In the Teku glass. This is like a $35 beer glass, the fancy one. I'm gonna share it with friends. Bring that cup over here. Alright. How about this one? Can you get one more? I think it's a little light in color. Mmm, smells like fruity. It's delicious. Kind of tastes like a fruitcake. It's not sweet. It's just like, it's malty and it's hoppy and it's beer. It's just like, there's a little bit of fruitcake in
it. Like it.
Man, amber is the color of your energy. Anybody? Anybody?
Josh did it this way. What's all the string for?
I'm not filming you, I'm filming the bartender. You're not in there, I promise.